This review is on the GLOCK 43X MOS. It was the first time I got to take it out today. I bought it maybe a week, 2 weeks ago, and today was the first day I got to take it out. Happy to say it worked great. Had zero issues with it. Shot about, I don't know, 55 rounds through it. No issues. I've seen a lot of videos saying some of them were having ejection issues, and glad to say this one does not have it. Now, maybe once I put a red dot on there, I may have to trim that screw up on this side. From what I've seen through a lot of videos, the screws are a little too long for the right side. Other than that, it was great. So far, the USA ones haven't let me down yet. I didn't take the 42 today, but it was mainly about the 43X and the MCK new 30 that I bought. I was playing with those. Shot a couple other guns, a shadow system, a few other things. Heritage 22. I'll put a link to that video in the description. I still haven't ordered a red dot for this yet, but I'm getting the Hollow Sun 407K. It's one I feel like I like the best. Happy to say though, it worked great. 55 rounds, no issues. Highly suggest it. Feels good. Decent for pocket carry. Fits the hand good. 10+1, comes with 2 mags. Options to upgrade mags and carry more. Get one.